The little head games between Haiden, Deegan, and Levi Kitchen have already started, and really this has been going on for, a year? Considering last Supercross season, Kitchen was supposed to race west. They had their whole Instagram, whatever, beef thing. Kitchen ended up being sick, racing east, and then obviously in the SMX playoffs, there was the teammate thing. Kitchen ended up taking out Haiden Deegan, and well, obviously now we're into the 2026 Supercross season, and they're both on the West Coast. This is press day riding. This is like the first lap or whatever you want to call it. And you can see Kitchen, Deegan right in front of him. Whatever, perfectly normal. Comes up this, right in front of him. I mean, it's a stupid little thing. No harm, no foul, whatever. It's one of those just little, I'm going to get in your head, quote unquote things. Fine. Deegan passes him. No big deal. Looks back already. And it's just the head game thing. It's who's going to be the more problem to the other. Obviously, Deegan comes in. He's supposed to be the favorite. He's going to be the championship contender. Obviously, going to contend for his second title, defend his title, I guess you want to call it. And Kitchen is here to play spoiler. I mean, let's be honest. He should be a contender on his own right. He's on a factory bike. He should be a fast guy. Another stupid little thing right here. Whether you can say he did that on purpose or not, kind of leaves the rear wheel out and roosts him pretty good. Or Deegan roosts Kitchen pretty good. So I think this is going to be great. I mean, obviously, the rivalries are always fun. They make racing more interesting. And it's going to be the thing of, do they just end up taking each other out and screwing each other's seasons because, they don't like each other, whatever you want to say it. For Kitchen, it's not as big of a deal, I would assume. Obviously, Deegan, you don't want to be in that kind of take out or be taken out role because you're there to win another title, defend your 250 title, take it, and then move up to the 450s. There's nothing you're going to profit from getting in this stupid fight with Kitchen. And, for Kitchen, obviously, you don't want to be in that role either because it's only going to hurt your races. If you've got him constantly mad, right? If you have him, being your takeout buddy, whatever you want to call it. If you end up in front, you get a good start, you have to think, oh, well, Deegan's behind me. Now I actually have to, race ahead, but also figure out where he is. Is he going to, put a hard pass on me? Is he going to take my front wheel out? Which, it's going to be stupid. Obviously, if you do it enough, you're both going to get penalties. You're going to end up taking each other out, losing points. And it's a non-plus game for both guys. But I'm excited for this. I mean, obviously, A1's good in general. You add these little stupid things of people who don't like each other on not opposite teams, but on, different factory teams. And I'm excited. I mean, A1's going to be good. If you get a bad start, or if they're running 1-2, if they're, in the middle of the pack together trying to move up, it's going to be interesting to see how clean they race each other, how much rubbing or banging there's going to be. Obviously, big year for Deegan. This is the last of the 250s. It's time to move up to the big boy class in motocross. And for Kitchen, it's a year to prove that, you should be moving up soon, that you are one of the top guys, that you need to be considered as a championship contender, a, win podium, one of those guys that's just there every single weekend. And who knows? So this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Who do you think wins the 250s, the 450s titles? Who wins A1 for both classes? Are you going to it? Are you excited? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.